Hi everyone, I hope you're doing fine. In this lesson, I'm gonna show you how to change the color mode of your artboard. Let's say you want to change the color mode of your artboard, but you don't know. Let me show you how. Go to File, Document Color Mode, and you will see CMYK color, RGB color. Now you can choose whichever you wish. CMYK mode is for printing. RGB mode is for screens. Remember that if you want to print your art, convert the mode to CMYK color. Let's see. As you can see up here, our image is now CMYK mode. Let's change it, make it RGB mode. As you can see, it has changed here. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.